Greetings of the day, Goinkans. Hope you all are fine. Today in English, we'll be doing some more exercises from the chapter Adverbs of Frequency. So let's go to page number 22 and 23. If you remember, in our previous video, we did the first three exercises, and today we'll be starting with exercise number 4. Exercise number 4, we have to underline the adverbs of frequency in the passage below and then arrange them in the decreasing order of their frequency. First, let's underline the adverbs in the given passage. This is Martha. She likes to stay active. She never goes to bed late. She usually gets up early so that she can go out for a run. In this sentence, you can note that there are two adverbs of frequency, never and usually. Please underline them. Then next we have, she sometimes goes swimming at the sports center. Here we have the adverb of frequency, sometimes. Then, often she rides her father's old bicycle to her school. In this sentence, we have the adverb often. Please underline it. She is also a musician. Martha frequently attends music concerts in the city auditorium. Here we have the word frequently. Please underline it. And the last sentence we have, she seldom watches TV because she likes doing things outside. In the last sentence, we have the adverb of frequency, seldom. So these are the 6 adverbs in the given passage. Now we need to arrange them according to their frequency in the decreasing order. The first one, of course, will be usually. That is the action she does most. Then we have frequently, often, sometimes, seldom, never. To arrange them in their decreasing order, we can also refer to the table present on page number 21 of your grammar books. So this is the decreasing order of the adverbs. Next we have exercise 5. In this we have to choose the correct adverb of frequency from the box and complete the sentences. There could be more than one correct answer. So let's start. Part A. I am rarely late. I usually arrive on time for school. For these I have used rarely and usually. Part B. Shai is good at mathematics. He dash scores more than 90. Here we will write always, because Shai is good at mathematics. Of course, he will be scoring more than 90. So we cannot use these adverbs here. Okay, so we have used always. Then we have I dash eat at the restaurant across the street. They serve good food. So they serve good food, so we can use adverb here, often. I often eat at the restaurant across the street. They serve good food. D part, I never take a bus to school. We have used adverb here, never, because you can see in the second part of sentence, I hate traveling by bus. So we have used adverb here, never. Next we have, my uncle Dash allows me to take his dog out for walks. He's very sweet. So the adverb we have used here from the box is sometimes. My uncle sometimes allows me to take his dog out for walks. He is very sweet. Please read the full sentence to have a clear idea that which adverb will be appropriate for the sentence. Now we have the last exercise. The last exercise, they have given us a few adverbs of frequency. We need to use them in sentences, but as per the instructions given in the brackets. For example, part A, we have rarely. We have to use it before the main verb. The sentence is, Smita rarely gets angry. She is a patient person. See, we have used rarely here before the main verb gets. Then we have part B, always is the adverb here, adverb of frequency. We have to use it after verbs like am, is, are, was, were. So the sentence here is, these kids are always so noisy. See, always is written after are. Part C, regularly. Regularly, use at the end of the sentence. The sentence is, my grandfather visits his doctor regularly. See, we have used regularly here at the end of the sentence. Then we have part D, seldom. Use before the main verb. Tanu seldom eats junk food. You can see here seldom is used before the main verb eats. And lastly, we have sometimes, use at the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes my mother goes to the market to buy groceries. You can see we have used sometimes here at the beginning of the sentence. So this was all for today, Goenkans. You can use your grammar book, page number 22 and 23 for doing these exercises. So thank you so much. Take care.